Should you become a Bitcoin investor today? I'm asking you that question tonight because it has hit a 2-year high. For the first time since November 2021, the total value invested in Bitcoin surpassed $1 trillion. You know what that means? Well, this puts the cryptocurrency in the same league as tech giants like Meta and Tesla. The world's largest cryptocurrency has risen around 22% since the start of February, and it already is set for its biggest monthly rise since October last year. What caused that surge? Well, analysts credit it to last month's regulatory nod for the US-listed exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Now, for the unversed, a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is an investment vehicle that basically allows the ordinary investors exposure to the price moves of Bitcoin in their regular brokerage accounts. What it offers is a regulated and accessible way for mainstream investors to invest in the digital currency. In simple terms, investors can now have an exposure to Bitcoin without directly holding the asset. And how do they work? Well, think of a secure vault, only digital. Spot Bitcoin ETFs securely hold Bitcoins here. It is managed by registered custodians. And the purpose of this kind of ETF is to basically mirror the price of Bitcoins in the crypto market. To get started, the ETF buys Bitcoins from other holders or through authorized cryptocurrency exchanges. The tokens are then stored in a digital wallet, often using several layers of security. While several countries have embraced ETFs, the US regulators were initially hesitant. They worried about market manipulation and custodial risk. But then earlier this year, they officially approved the listing of the first ever spot Bitcoin ETFs. It was this decision of the US regulator that led to Bitcoin prices gaining ground. This was a game changer for the industry. Continuous inflows into US spot Bitcoin ETFs provided support to Bitcoin prices. On Wednesday, Bitcoin's value climbed to $51,606, a 25-month high, no less. And then the total investment surged past the $1 trillion mark. Now, it's worth noting that the all-time high for Bitcoin was in November 2021. It valued $1.28 trillion then. But the market was different then. It was much frothier. The prices rose above the real value because there was so much demand. Right now, Bitcoin is in a bull market. It's looking bright for Bitcoin. Since the beginning of February, in fact, Bitcoin has witnessed a remarkable uptick of around 20%. In tandem with Bitcoin's market rally, shares of other US-listed cryptocurrency firms have experienced pre-market gains. Notable among them are Coinbase, which saw a 7% increase. Mining companies like Riot Platforms surged 9%, and CleanSpark surged nearly 16%. Yes, Bitcoin's journey has been tumultuous. There have been highs, there have been periods of struggle. Factors like global central banks' monetary tightening, failures within crypto industry, including those at leading exchanges like FTX, greatly contributed to Bitcoin's turbulent journey, but recent months have shown renewed optimism. The question is, will Bitcoin be able to sustain this pace? And we will have to wait and watch for that. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.